So what's going on, guys? In this video, I will be talking about a specific issue which is called audio drift. And you may have landed on this video searching about it and how to fix it. So let me tell you how to fix it. This only happens when you record your audio externally, like on your smartphone or on your computer, and then in post-production, you sync that audio to the video. So in the start of the video, if you are able to sync it properly, in the start of video, everything is good and nice, but after a few minutes, you start to see difference in the audio and the video. Lip sync is a few seconds ahead of the audio. The possible reason to it is because your camera, when you set it to record for 30 frames per second, it is not actually recording at 30 frames per second. Like I have got a Canon DSLR here and it actually records at 29.97 or something like that. So in the long run, there are few frames missing. So it lags behind the audio, which is actually recorded at normal rate. So it is not the case when you have the audio on the camera itself, because then it is the same. But if you do it externally, if you record your audio externally, then there will be a mismatch of audio and video. The issue can be solved by choosing the frame rate of your project, matching the frame rate of the video that you have recorded. Like if the video is getting recorded at 29.97, then you should not make the project 30 frames per second. You should choose 29.97 or whatever 29.9 it is. You can check it out in your editing program, editing software. Both the Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro have this option of letting you select the frame rate of your project. So you can do that and you should match it. And in case you are stuck in a project right now and you are looking for a solution, then you cannot change the project frame rate. What you can do is you can create a new project, then select the frame rate that matches the frame rate of your camera, and then copy all the footage into the new project. So you can simply copy everything that you have done inside the project where the frame rate is not matching to the camera, and then paste it into the new project which matches the frame rate of your camera. And once you do that, the lag will be gone and it will be a proper sync up like this video, because I am recording the audio on my iPhone and I will be mixing it, matching it, and there will be a difference if I create a 30 FPS project in the Final Cut Pro, but I will be creating 29.97 project which will match the frame rate of the camera. You should check out whether your camera is recording at 30 FPS or not, and if not, then this might be the issue you are facing. And this is it. I hope you find this useful, and in case if it is your first time on my channel, I would recommend you subscribe to it, because I'm into video making and blogging and tech things, and whatever I find useful and whatever solution I find, I try to post it on YouTube so that other people can find solution to it. And there are other videos as well. You can check out the channel. I hope you find this useful. You can thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.